Once you click on this link, it's going to look like this. And at the top here, you're going to see all of the grade levels as well as counseling, integrated services, and electives. You'll need to find all of your students' teachers who you would like to meet with. So let's say you want to book a 5-minute conference with your student's 7th grade science teacher, Miss Gallegos. You're going to start by clicking on 7th grade and then scroll down to the date. This is super important. Make sure that you only select on the day of our conferences. And then in selecting the staff, click on the person you'd like to meet with. This is going to be Miss Gallegos. And below, you'll see the times that she now has available. You select the time that works best for you. You scroll down. Super important, you add your details so the teacher knows who they are going to be meeting with. Make sure you put in your name, your email, and your phone number. Make sure you select country code, United States. If you want to receive text message notifications, reminders, go ahead and click that box. The next important step is to make sure that you put in your student's name to give the teacher an opportunity to understand and to know exactly who they're meeting with at that time. You're going to need to do this for each teacher you would like to meet with. You're now going to get a confirmation email that looks just like this. This will show your confirmed booking with the selected teacher. If you ever need to cancel or change your appointment, be sure to click right down here. Now on the night of parent-teacher conferences, you'll go to your email, this email here, you're going to click on Join Your Appointment. It will launch Microsoft Teams in a new tab. You want to first make sure and give permission for Microsoft Teams to use your microphone and your camera, so make sure you click Allow. Be sure to enter your name so that the teacher knows who is coming in. And once you click Join Now, you'll be put into kind of like a waiting room, and the teacher will let you in when they are ready. As you're getting ready to join the meeting, just make sure that your camera and your microphone are on so that the teacher can see and hear who they are speaking with.